in the early 70s at the Calcutta Planetarium, an American visitor, he came and asked me a question. He was quite amazed that the names of the constellations in India and in the West were the same. He said, how can this be, or how did this happen? I gave him the standard textbook answer, which was the constellations were of Greco-Babylonian origin, and from there they spread to different parts of the world, including India. Later, by a coincidence, a Calcutta editor, Mukherjee his name was, he asked me the same question. How come the constellations are the same in India as in the West? And I told him the same standard answer, which we find in books about a Greco-Babylonian origin, common origin for these constellations, and how they slowly dissipated. He was a bit disappointed. He wanted a story which had a little more suspense and mystery in it. But he said, okay, if that's the case, why don't you write an article for me saying all these things? Then I began writing the article, referring to the standard books, what I could get here and there. But having told him that I will write an article, I thought, let there be a little bit of an original or different content in it, rather than what the buzz is. So I picked up an Indian book, and of all the books, I picked up the Mahabharata. And soon I hit something very, very peculiar and even valuable. This was a hymn from the Mahabharata, where a sage gets blind, falls into a well, and then invokes the Asvins, the twin Ashwini Devatas, who are supposed to be very good doctors to cure various ailments. And in that long hymn, I was stunned by one part which said that you Ashwins are the lords of the 12 signs of the zodiac. Had this been Mahabharata, there would not have been too much mystery, because the Mahabharata is a Itihasa and Purana, which has a lot of added things, shape-up anshas as they are called. But the thing about this thing was, specifically it mentioned that this was a hymn from the Rig Veda. Now, the Rig Veda was a completely different matter, unlike the Puranas and the Itihasas. The Rig Veda is, I should say, a collection of suktas, as they're called, hymns, many of them, attributed to various rishis. And these suktas consist of rikas, from where we get the name Rig Veda. So I went and said, let me look at the original Rig Veda in translation because I didn't know that much of Sanskrit. At first I was very confused because Hindus revere the Rig Veda, and yet what I was reading appeared to be neither religion nor philosophy nor anything. It was just a confused mass of hymns. But I did find hymns to the Ashwini Devatas. Now the Asvins have been interpreted, they are twins, and they've been interpreted as Castor and Pollux in the sky, or even night and day, the twins. When I came to the hymns of the Ashwins, I found them particularly mystifying, because in a sense they made no sense. But there was one point at which things began to sort of clear up. That point was where one of the hymns said that you Ashwins are the lords of the signs of the zodiac. Another point was where it said, you Ashwins sometimes move to the right, sometimes you move to the left,